How to use best-selling books to enhance teaching and learning. The Secret, by Rhonda Byrne. The Secret is a self-help book written by Rhonda Byrne. The book teaches the concept of the law of attraction, which suggests that positive thoughts and emotions can attract positive experiences and outcomes in our lives. The book emphasizes the importance of setting clear and specific goals, visualizing oneself achieving those goals, and focusing on positive thoughts and emotions. It also promotes the use of positive affirmations and gratitude to reinforce positive beliefs and behaviors. The Secret has been a popular book among individuals seeking personal and spiritual growth, and has been applied in various fields including business, health, and education. This book can be used as a teaching and learning tool in various ways, including goal setting. The Secret emphasizes the importance of goal setting as a means to achieve success. Teachers can use this concept to encourage students to set clear goals and focus their thoughts and energy on achieving them. For example, teachers can ask students to identify a goal they would like to achieve, such as getting good grades in a particular subject or improving their public speaking skills. They can then ask students to visualize themselves achieving this goal and take action toward it. Positive thinking. The book teaches that positive thinking is essential for success. Teachers can use this concept to encourage students to adopt a positive mindset and focus on their strengths instead of their weaknesses. For example, teachers can ask students to identify their strengths and come up with a plan to use these strengths to achieve their goals. Personal development. The Secret emphasizes the importance of personal development and self-improvement. Teachers can use this concept to encourage students to develop their skills, pursue their passions, and work towards their personal goals. For example, teachers can ask students to identify an area they would like to improve on, such as public speaking or time management, and come up with a plan to develop their skills in this area. Critical thinking. While The Secret may have its merits, it's important to encourage students to think critically and evaluate the ideas presented in the book. Teachers can use this book as an opportunity to teach critical thinking skills and to encourage students to question and challenge ideas that may not be backed by scientific evidence. For example, teachers can ask students to research the science behind the law of attraction and compare it with other scientific principles. Visualization. The book teaches the importance of visualization as a tool to attract what we want in life. Teachers can use this concept to encourage students to visualize themselves achieving their goals. For example, teachers can ask students to close their eyes and imagine themselves achieving their goal, feeling the emotions associated with it, and taking action towards it. This can help students to feel more motivated and focused on their goals. Affirmations. The book also emphasizes the use of positive affirmations as a means to change our thoughts and beliefs. Teachers can use this concept to encourage students to create positive affirmations that support their goals. For example, if a student's goal is to get good grades, they can create an affirmation such as, "I am a smart and capable student who can achieve great grades." Teachers can encourage students to repeat these affirmations daily to reinforce positive beliefs about themselves and their abilities. Resilience. The Secret teaches that setbacks and challenges are part of the journey towards success. Teachers can use this concept to encourage students to develop resilience and perseverance in the face of obstacles. For example, teachers can ask students to reflect on a time when they faced a challenge and overcame it. They can then encourage students to apply this same resilience to their current goals and challenges. Mindfulness. The Secret emphasizes the importance of being present in the moment and focusing on positive thoughts and feelings. Teachers can use this concept to encourage students to practice mindfulness and positive thinking. For example, teachers can lead students in a short mindfulness exercise where they focus on their breath and visualize positive outcomes for their goals. Law of cause and effect. The book teaches that our thoughts and emotions are the cause of the events and circumstances in our lives. Teachers can use this concept to help students understand the law of cause and effect and how their thoughts and emotions can influence their outcomes. For example, teachers can ask students to reflect on a time when their thoughts or emotions influenced a positive or negative outcome in their life. Gratitude. The Secret emphasizes the importance of gratitude to attract positive experiences and circumstances in our lives. Teachers can use this concept to encourage students to practice gratitude daily. For example, teachers can ask students to write down 3 things they are grateful for each day or lead a gratitude exercise at the beginning or end of class. Empowerment. The Secret promotes the idea that we are in control of our lives and can create the life we want. Teachers can use this concept to empower students to take ownership of their goals and outcomes. For example, teachers can encourage students to identify areas in their life where they feel they lack control and come up with a plan to take action and regain control. Personal responsibility. The book emphasizes that we are responsible for our own thoughts, emotions, and actions and that we have the power to change them. Teachers can use this concept to encourage students to take responsibility for their own learning and personal growth. For example, teachers can ask students to reflect on their strengths and weaknesses and come up with a plan to improve in areas where they are struggling. By incorporating these concepts into the classroom, teachers can help students to develop positive beliefs and behaviors that support their personal and academic success. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And remember, always keep learning and growing.